Here at Eden Religious Facilities, we have a unique design process. We have a process that starts with the design of your building with your budget in mind at all times. During Eden's design process, we'll be integrating with the building committee. We'll be taking the ideas that the building committee can offer based on their intimate knowledge of the vision and the plan for the future of the church. But before we go ahead and put that on paper, we're going to tie a cost to that idea. At that point that we feel that we're above our budget in design, we can say instead of those marble floors, we're going to put hardwood floors in, because here's the price difference. We'll always make recommendations to you. Our design team is integrated within your building committee, and we'll make recommendations while you make decisions. So everything we do as the guardians of your money in this design process is going to be with a recommendation and with the price of that recommendation per the original design.